Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shubheksha and for today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create this look that you see right here on my face. This is a pink cut crease makeup look that you can carry on for the festivals that are around the corner and the festivities that are coming. So guys, this is a very easy look that I've created with affordable makeup products and you can recreate this look. If you would like to see how I got the look, please keep on watching the video, and if you like the video, please guys give me a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's just get down into the video now. So I've already prepped up my skin by using a moisturizer and a lip balm. Now I'm straight away going to start up by applying a primer on my face. And for the primer today, I'm going to be using this PAC Pore Primer. And I'm going to apply it on all the areas where I have open pores and the pores are visible. Now for my foundation today, I'm going to be using this Super Stay Maybelline foundation, and with that I'm going to mix a little bit of rose gold oil from the Beauty Co. The mix of these two are just perfect for my skin because this is a lot mattifying, so I just want to make it a little more liquidy for my skin because I have a C-zone which is very dry. So I'm just going to mix these two and apply it on my face. Next, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer for concealing my dark spots. Next, to set all the concealer in place, I'm just going to use this Loreal Mat magique powder. So for my brows today, I'm going to be using this goof proof brow pencil in the shade number 5. Now once I'm done with my base, I just like to use the MAC's Fix Plus spray, the Prep and Prime, and I just like to spritz it on my face so that the base just settles in before applying my further makeup. Now moving on to my eyes, I'm going to be doing a cut crease for today's festive look. So I'm going to be using my Revolution palette. This is the Reloaded Newtrals 2 palette. And this has really beautiful warm and pinky tone shades in it. So I'm just going to be using this palette today for my look. Now on a fluffy brush, I would just be taking this brown shade that you see right here. And I'm going to be putting this shade as a transition shade on my eyelids. Now to give a little bit of depth to my eyelids, I'm just going to be using this wine shade right here on the top. And I'm going to mix it with this pinkier shade over here. Now in order to do my cut crease, I'm going to be using the Revolution concealer. This is a high coverage concealer. I'm just going to make the cut crease on my eyelids. With the help of a flat brush, I'm going to make the cut crease. Now I'm just going to let the concealer dry for a few seconds, and I'm just going to powder it before applying my glitter eyeshadow on it. Now for the cut crease, I'm going to be using a foil eyeshadow, and this is from the Makeup Revolution, and I have using the shade Rival. I'm going to take the shade in my hands like so on my ring finger. I'm just going to use the same shade that I used before, same wine and pink shade, and I'm going to use it to just join these lines which are looking very harsh on the eyelids. Now for today's look, I'm just going to be using a kajal, and for that I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. I'm putting it on my lower lash line. For today's mascara, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. I'm just going to use a bronzer on my face today. I'm not going to contour much. And for that, I'm using my Benefit Hola bronzer. blush today, I'm going to be using this Nykaa Cheeky Blush Palette and the blush duo. I'm going to be using this shade. And for my highlighter today, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit palette, and I'm going to be using this shade right here that's called Gumdrop. To finish off the look, I'm going to be using my most favorite lip shade currently, which is the Milani shade number 12 in Love. And as you can see, I've just paired up these nice earrings to go with the look, and you can even pair it up with the dupatta if you feel like, but I just really like to wear just the kurta along with the whole festive look. And that was all for my look, and I hope you liked this tutorial, guys. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and please like, share, comment and subscribe. You can hit the picture that you see right here to get subscribed to my channel, and please hit that bell notification on so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Till then, guys, be positive and keep sharing love. Bye guys.